A fluffy white cloud drifts serenely across the vast, vibrant blue canvas of the sky. This is Nimbus, a cloud unlike any other, harboring a deep aversion to rain. Nimbus, floating high above, contemplates the world with a distinct distaste for moisture. Why would anyone want to be wet? It's simply dreadful, Nimbus proclaims, his fluffy form shuddering slightly. Beneath the floating city, a vibrant flower field stretches under the sun, thirsty for rain. Amidst the colorful blooms, a proud red rose named Rose stands tall, her petals catching the light. The cheerful field belies a hidden dryness, the soil parched and yearning for moisture. Rose yearns for water, her vibrant color masking a silent plea. "Oh, I'm getting so thirsty. I wish it would rain." The sun beats down, amplifying the field's thirst and Rose's desperate hope for rain. Nimbus drifts lazily in the vast, open sky, a serene observer of the world below. Whispers of Rose's distant conversation tickle Nimbus's fluffy edges, carried by the gentle breeze. He swells with pride, a plump, white cloud against the endless canvas of blue. Nimbus contemplates the idea of rain, a mischievous glint in his vaporous form. "Rain? Not if I can help it," Nimbus declares to the empty sky, his voice a soft rumble. "I'd rather stay dry and fluffy, thank you very much," he adds, content in his sun-drenched existence. Under the relentless sun, vibrant colors of the flower field begin to fade, a stark testament to the passage of time. Petals droop, mirroring the growing thirst of the field's inhabitants, a silent plea rising with the heat. A close-up on Lily, her face reflecting the parched earth around her, a deep worry etched in her eyes. Her voice, raspy and strained, breaks the silence. "We need water. We're all going to wilt." The camera pans across the dying field, a visual echo of Lily's desperate words, highlighting the urgency of their plight. From high above, Nimbus watches, a fleeting shadow of guilt crossing his face. The guilt fades as he relishes the sun's golden rays, a serene smile gracing his lips. His gaze drifts downwards, a murmur of reassurance escaping his lips. "They'll be fine. A little sun never hurt anyone," Nimbus declares, basking in the radiant warmth. Under a harsh sun, a once vibrant flower field now bears the marks of suffering and neglect. Colors fade from the petals, their beauty dimmed by an unseen blight. Bent and drooping, the flower stems tell a silent story of despair and abandonment. A lone sunflower, its head heavy, voices the field's silent plea. "If only someone would help us." The air hangs heavy with unspoken sorrow. The once joyful field, now a portrait of quiet desperation. Nimbus drifts closer, a concerned expression forming as he surveys the landscape. The flowers' faces, once vibrant, now droop with an undeniable despair. The severity of the situation dawns on Nimbus, a heavy realization. A moment of contemplation crosses Nimbus's face, a silent struggle. Maybe I should do something," Nimbus murmurs, a resolve flickering in his eyes. In a vibrant flower field, rose, lily, and sunflower struggle, their petals drooping in the sun's harsh light. Their delicate heads strain upwards, a silent plea directed towards Nimbus, a fluffy cloud drifting in the vast sky. Rose's voice, a fragile whisper on the wind. "Please, cloud, we need your help. We're dying." A desperate hope flickers in their parched petals as they await the cloud's response. The field holds its breath, every leaf and stem yearning for the life-giving touch of rain. High above, Nimbus hesitates, a visible shiver rippling through his form under the vast, indifferent sky. The memory of dissolving into rain clashes with the silent, desperate pleas rising from the thirsty flowers below. Internal conflict etches deep lines into the cloud's face as he grapples with his aversion. But, I hate rain," Nimbus cries out, his voice a soft rumble against the silent backdrop of the heavens. In a flower field, lilies' leaves begin to crumble, the edges turning brown and brittle. A gentle breeze carries the scent of dying blossoms, a somber symphony of fading life. Her voice, a desperate whisper against the wind. Please, it's our only hope. The field stands still, awaiting a miracle that may never come. Nimbus hovers in the vast sky, contemplating a weighty choice, his form shimmering in the sunlight. Determination hardens his features as he makes his decision, a silent vow echoing in the open air. All right, I'll do it. Nimbus booms, his voice a rumble across the heavens. He swells, darkening ominously as he gathers power, a reluctant storm brewing in his depths. But don't expect me to like it. A vast flower field stretches under the open sky, each bloom vibrant against the backdrop of impending rain. The first drops of rain begin to fall, fat and heavy, splattering on the thirsty petals. The flowers lift their faces to the sky, a collective sigh of relief rustling through the field. A lone sunflower, towering above the rest, seems to voice the field's joy. It's raining! We're saved! The rain intensifies, a life-giving curtain enveloping the flower field, promising renewal and growth. Rain lashes down, drenching the thirsty earth. The flower field awakens, colors blooming anew. The rain intensifies, each drop a tiny hammer against the parched land. Flowers drink deeply, their vibrant hues returning with each passing moment. The rain washes over Rose, her face tilted up to the sky in pure gratitude. Rose's joyful voice pierces the storm's roar. Thank you, cloud, thank you. The flower field, reborn and glistening, sways gently under the downpour, a testament to nature's resilience. Nimbus, diminished yet lighter, drifts in the endless sky, basking in the sun's warm embrace. A strange satisfaction washes over Nimbus as the crisp, clean air invigorates his dissipating form. Well, that wasn't so bad, Nimbus muses, a hint of surprise coloring his airy voice. Actually, it feels rather good, he admits, surrendering to the tranquil sensation of fading away. The rain ceases. Sunlight paints the flower field, revealing a kaleidoscope of vibrant colors. Flowers, refreshed and radiant, bask in the sun's embrace, their petals shimmering with renewed life. Lily's voice rings out, gratitude coloring her tone. We couldn't have done it without you, Nimbus. The field breathes, a symphony of color and light, a testament to nature's resilience and beauty. Nimbus floats above the flower field, a changed cloud, realizing the joy of helping others. A gentle smile graces Nimbus's cloudy face, reflecting newfound contentment. Maybe rain isn't so bad after all, Nimbus muses, his voice soft against the sky, especially when it makes others happy, he adds, watching the flowers bloom below.